Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min dzakarin wa untha wa ja'alnakum syu'uban wa qabaila lita'arafu. Inna akramakum 'indallahi atqakum. Inna Allaha alimun khabir. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin al-Fatih lima ughliqa wal khatim lima sabaqa nasirul haq bil haq wal hadi ila siratikal mustaqim sallallahu ala alihi haqqa qadarihi wa miqdarihil azim. Berkah dalam Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Rahayu. The Honorable Minister of Religious Affairs of Indonesia, Kiai Haji Yakut Khalil Qomas, and Ibu Eni Ratno Yakut, Menteri semua agama, terima kasih atas kehadiran dan kepemimpinan di Kementerian Agama yang kami banggakan. We are so proud of you. He and his family joined together in Vatican to visit Saint Basilica and to meet the Pope Francis. I indeed feel kindness and generosity. Pak Sekjen, terima kasih. Pak Dirjen, semua direktur, semua eselon di kementerian, seluruh rektor di PTKI, para kanwil, thank you very much for your attention and for your attendance in this very happy meeting. Our Minister of Coordinating for Political and Legal Security Affairs just left, Professor Mahfud MD. Thank you for your kindness and mentorship. The Minister of State Apparatus Empowerment and Bureaucratic Reform of the Republic of Indonesia, Abdullah Azwar Anas. Terima kasih atas persahabatan dan kebaikannya. Coordinating Minister for Human Development and Cultural Affairs, represented by Profesor Rafiq Karsidi. Terima kasih banyak, Pak. Thank you very much. Apostolic Nuncio to Indonesia, His Excellency Archbishop Heru Biepo. Thank you for your support, kind guide, and also Father Michael and also Father Marcus Solo. Thank you very much, and to all Catholic priests. Ingkang sinuwun Gubernur of Yogyakarta Special Region Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono, matur sembah nuwun. Mugi pinaringan berkah rahayu sedaya. Special thanks to Pak Adiarto Sumarjono, Pak Dirjen Bimas Katolik, for his special friendship, kindness, hard work, and high commitment, and his full attention to make this event to happen. Thank you, Pak. And to all dirjen of Bimas, Kristen, Hindu, Buddha, and thank you very much for their attention. Head Secretary, members of the Senate of State Islamic University Sunan Kalijaga. Thank you. Vice Rectors, Dean, Director, Vice Deans, Lecturers, and Civitas Academica, thank you. All committee from our campus, terima kasih atas kerja kerasnya. I have to mention my special thanks to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and it happened to attend in this meeting, Pak Syahli, Pak Mohsin Syahab. Thank you, Pak. And also Pak Amri Cinangkung, Pak Dirjen. Thank you very much. All chairmen, vice chairmen, members of the Central Board of Nahdlatul Ulama, Kiai Haji Miftahul Ahyar. Matur sembah nuwun, Pak Yai. Matur sembah nuwun. Long ago, State Islamic University also granted honoris causa to Kiai Mustafa Bisri. And also Kiai Haji Saifullah Yusuf, Gus Yusuf, thank you very much, Gus Ipul. Kiai Said, sedaya kiai-kiai, alim ulama, Gus, PWNU, PCNU, Muslimat, Fatayat, Lakpesdam, Kiai Ulil Absor Abdallah dan Mbak Ines. Seluruh perguruan tinggi NU, terima kasih. Thank you very much. I have to mention the family of Gus Dur. And just last year, Ibu Sinta also received honorary degree from Sunan Kalijaga State Islamic University, Mbak Alisa Wahid. And also Mbak Yeni. Thank you very much. Chairman of Muhammadiyah Central Board, Profesor Dr. Kiai Haji Haidar Nasir and Ibu Siti Nurjanah Johayanti. Terima kasih banyak. Also Dr. Salmah Urbayinah, Ketua Aisyah. Terima kasih. And Dr. Agung Danarto. And of course Prof. Din Samsudin. Thank you very much, Pak. All ustadz, all ulama, PWM, PDM, and some rectors of Universitas Muhammadiyah. I have to thank and very grateful to our long friendship, Rector of Universitas Sanata Dharma, our friends, Romo Bagus Laksono, who also among the promoters in the back, thank you. Monsignor Ignatius Suharyo, Monsignor Antonius Subianto Benyamin, thank you very much. And also Uskup Agung dan seluruh Romo. Terima kasih banyak. Thank you for the valuable friendships. PGI, para bante, para bedanda semuanya. And 3 recipients of honorary degree from UIN Sunan Kalijaga today. Kiai Haji Yahya Khalil Stakuf, and also Ibu Nyai Nuni Laisi Naimah Yahya. Dr. Sudipyo Markus, and also Ibu Septarini Sudipyo Markus, and His Eminence Cardinal Miguel Angel Ayuso. Congratulations, and we are very happy to have you. Polda, Kajati, Kajari, all government officials, Basnas, Pak Profesor Nur Ahmad, and Ibu Saidah Sawan, and Dr. Hasto Kristianto. Terima kasih, thank you very much. All journalists, semua wartawan, berbagai media, and ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are very happy. We feel very honored and we welcome you to our campus, Sunan Kalijaga State Islamic University, with our humble and modest welcome since last night. Thank you for coming. Selamat datang. Ahlan wa sahlan. Sugeng rawuh. Bienvenido. Thank you in advance for your patience I will read some in English and perhaps few in Bahasa Indonesia to be communicative to each other. Today, this morning, we celebrate the awarding of honorary degree to the 3 religious leaders from 3 different communities: Catholics, Nahdlatul Ulama, and Muhammadiyah. And today, Sunan Kalijaga Islamic State University become a meeting point, a place welcoming to all diversity and differences in faith and traditions. Hari ini, UIN Sunan Kalijaga ingin merayakan menjadi tempat bertemunya, tempat yang nyaman bagi perbedaan dan kepelbagaian, berbagai iman dan berbagai tradisi keagamaan. Dan UIN Sunan Kalijaga bertekad untuk meneruskan komitmen ini. The honorary degree, doctoral degree, symbolizes significant meanings. It's our courageous steps from our campus and our willingness to embrace differences but harmony from 3 religious communities, as well as our respect to our leaders, wise leaders. It does not merely symbolize the embracing of the 3 religious traditions, but differences and plurality as a whole of Indonesia, which acknowledge officially 6 religions. However, in reality, we have hundreds, more than 1,000 existing religious groups. Bapak Ibu sekalian, kita berharap seremoni penganugerahan honoris causa ini menjadi simbol komitmen UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Tidak hanya menghormati 3 kelompok umat, tetapi sesuai dengan pesan Menteri Agama kita ingin menempatkan seluruh kelompok umat beragama yang ada di Indonesia yang jumlahnya ratusan di seluruh kepulauan Nusantara. So please allow me our modest understanding of this event. Leader of one community is a leader for all religions. Member of one religious community must also respect the internalize the meaning of faith from other communities. Having a faith means being prepared to accept the interfaith relations. As an example, Your Eminence Cardinal Ayuso, from our humble and modest understanding, you are not only representation of the Holy See and the leader of Catholic Church, you are also leader for other faiths in Indonesia. You are cardinal for UIN Sunan Kalijaga too. We are your community, we are your ummah who need your guidance too. Likewise, nyuwun sewu Pak Yai, Kiai Haji Yahya Khalil Stakuf. Panjenengan boten namung pemimpin Nahdlatul Ulama, tapi juga pemimpin dan pengayom seluruh umat. Panjenengan pemimpin bagi Katolik, Hindu, Buddha, Kristen, Konghucu, Muhammadiyah, dan Nahdlatul Ulama. Ini pesan yang beliau juga sudah lakukan. Dan begitu juga untuk Pak Markus, Sudebyo Markus. Bapak, dari rasa rendah hati kami dan juga dari rasa tawadhu kami, Anda juga penasehat tidak hanya bagi Muhammadiyah, tetapi juga penasehat bagi semua umat. Penasehat bagi Katolik, penasehat bagi Hindu, bagi Buddha, bagi Konghucu, bagi Nahdlatul Ulama, dan umat-umat yang belum tersebutkan. UIN Sunan Kalijaga, we always expect to become a meeting point, a place welcoming to all diversity in faith and traditions. UIN Sunan Kalijaga bertekad dan sangat bangga dengan segala kerendahan hati menjadi tempat yang menyamankan semua iman, semua agama, semua tradisi, semua perbedaan. Sehingga kita menjadi tempat di mana kita yang berbeda bisa bertemu di UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Seperti hari ini dengan 3 umat yang berbeda. Our religious leaders has given us a very clear example. Pope Francis has given us a clear example about the way he was Muslims immigrant with. This example underlines and signifies the meaning of salus extra ecclesias. And people can achieve salvation outside the church, as mentioned in the Second Vatican Document Council, Nostra Aetate, the declaration that we are one human being. Similar reflection also can be found in 2019 Bahsul Masail. The equality between the rights of Muslims and non-Muslim in the citizenship of our nation and country. And even long before that, Yai Haji Ahmad Siddiq of Jember suggested the meaning of ukhuwah basyariyah, brotherhood among mankind, beyond the ukhuwah wataniyah and ukhuwah islamiyah. Kita diingatkan oleh beliau Hadratus Syekh Yai Haji Ahmad Siddiq yang menempatkan ukhuwah basyariyah melampaui ukhuwah wataniyah dan ukhuwah islamiyah. Menurut tafsir kerendahan hati kami. And Pope and also Syekh Al-Azhar Ahmad Thayyib promote in a similar way with a rather perhaps a different language. Ladies and gentlemen, UIN Sunan Kalijaga would humbly confirm its commitment to its educational mission to Indonesia, firstly, and to all ummah and to all of the world. Once again, Sunan Kalijaga State Islamic University welcome all faiths, all religions, all ethnicities, and all races. We are ready for home, for peace, among differences, diversity, where unique traditions can grow and become friends to each other. UIN Sunan Kalijaga is committed to be inclusive, accommodative, open to all respective schools of thought, practices, denominations, organizations, and unique expression of arts, culture, and religions. The above-mentioned commitment can be seen in our daily business of Sunan Kalijaga, with a long friendship between Sunan Kalijaga and Catholic University Sanata Dharma and Christian University Duta Wacana. And likewise, we have friends with Pura, Vihara, and many others. And our students are also so diverse with different organizations. And later when graduate also choose different activities. We have so many different students activities from Sri Kandi Lintas Iman, Fatayat, Muslimat, Aisyah, Ansor, Kokam, HMI, BMII, IMM, GMNI, and others. We celebrate this diversity today. And we are very thankful, kita sangat bersyukur UIN Sunan Kalijaga mendapatkan berkah dari komitmen lamanya dengan ikhlas. Mendapatkan akreditasi unggul, mungkin yang pertama atau satu-satunya sampai saat ini. Berkat keseriusan kita mempunyai tradisi interfaith dimulai dari tahun 70 yang terkenal dengan kelompok limited circle, kemudian mempengaruhi bagaimana kemajuan pembaharuan pemikiran Islam di Indonesia yang akhirnya bertemu dengan banyak NGO, banyak aktivis, dan banyak pemimpin Indonesia. Long ago, Professor Mukti Ali mentioned three important relations. Relations within one religion, because in one religion there are so many groups. Harmonious relation with different religions, interfaith, and relations between religions and state, trilogi kerukunan beragama, antar umat beragama di dalam satu agama, antar umat beragama yang berbeda, dan agama dan pemerintah. Dan ini ditegaskan lagi oleh Kiai Yahya Khalil Stakuf pada acara tahun 2022 di Surabaya, acara Kementerian Agama. Beliau menyebut dengan istilah perkauman. Within religion there are many groups which also need harmony, need our effort to be friends to each other. Ladies and gentlemen, we can track the spirit of interfaith even long ago in the journey of Sukarno in his spirituality, in which he met two Catholic priests, Gerardus Huiting SVD and Johannes Woma SVD in 1933. Before the independence of Indonesia, and he long time ago contemplated under the tree of Sukun with 5 branches. And as the story goes, the 5 branches inspired him to become the 5 principles of Pancasila. And also we have Temple of Prambanan and Temple of Borobudur with full of relief and wisdom, telling the story of Ramayana and Mahabharata, also Sutta Ganda Vyuha, particularly in seeking for wisdom from Buddhist and Hindu, with accommodative and open to all teachers and encounters. And we also know that Mosonyo Sugriya Pranoto, Triarkara, is also close to Sukarno, to Mukti Ali. Father Ramomo Mangunwijoyo is close to Gus Dur Abdurrahman Wahid, to Nurholis Majid, and to other Indonesian leaders. And this well depicted long ago, 100 years ago in Borobudur and Prambanan. And Jogja also very fortunate to become a place of the birth of many interfaith dialogue, particularly Interfide, founded by T.H. Sumartana and his friends, and still exists today. Ladies and gentlemen, I think I should touch a little bit about our meeting with the 3 candidates and how we finally decide that the 3 are indeed gift for UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Sunan Kalijaga, kampus kita sebetulnya ingin memberi hadiah kepada umat, kepada kita semua. Tapi tampaknya hari ini Sunan Kalijagalah yang menerima hadiah itu dari 3 pemimpin agama dunia. Kita merasa sangat terhormat menerima 3 contoh, 3 tauladan yang diberikan. Dan inilah yang diperlukan Indonesia. 3 pemimpin yang menawarkan kerjasama dan dialog antar umat dengan penuh kedamaian, dengan secara dingin dan mendamaikan. Inilah yang kita perlukan, dan ini adalah hadiah untuk UIN Sunan Kalijaga. Terima kasih. Satu penting yang perlu kita tekankan adalah how Indonesia should play more significant roles in offering our principle and our humble experiences to the world. I think Father Ayuso already touched upon. Indonesia consisted of various diversity, not only in nature, in flora and fauna, but also in people. And this gives birth to diversity in our traditions, in our practices of our faith, and the way in which we look at each other. And this today, with the conferral of the 3 important religious leaders, we practice what we have already experienced long ago, and the value that we deem highly long ago by our forefather, by our ulama, by our kiai, by our leaders. One thing that I should mention is a friendship and networking. The way we can measure our faith is the way we can make friends with a different faith and different groups. So today we should expand our friendship with 3 ummah at least. And then we promise to ourselves that we keep expanding our friendship with many more ummah. And Sunan Kalijaga is very proud to play this role. Thank you very much for your patience. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin al-Fatih lima ughliqa wal khatim lima sabaqa nasirul haq bil haq wal hadi ila siratikal mustaqim wa sallallahu haqqa qadri wa miqdarihil azim. Oh iya, saya mohon maaf harus menyapa Profesor Komarudin Hidayat. Terima kasih Pak Prof. Wallahu muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq, taufik wal hidayah, berkah dalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.